In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access plugins and extensions in VLC in just a few quick steps. This is a simple but useful feature if you want to explore extra tools, add more functionality, or check what's available inside VLC Media Player. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. This is where VLC keeps several important settings and advanced options. After that, from the Tools menu, click on Plugins and Extensions. This will open the section where you can view everything that is available. Here, you can browse through the plugins and extensions installed in VLC and see the different options that may be available to you. Depending on your version of VLC, this area may show built-in features or add-ons that help expand what the player can do. If you are trying to customize VLC or simply understand what extras are included, this is the exact place to check. So again, the process is very straightforward. Open VLC, click Tools, then click Plugins and Extensions, and you'll be able to view all of them here. That's really all there is to it. Now you know how to access plugins and extensions in VLC quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.